protective gear on. I'm just too curious to.
I wouldn't walk around. There's bees on the ground over there.
Never mind all that.
You're out of your mind.
Look at that.
Thingies.
That is a beehive. Very cool.
Look, look, protective gear, protective gear. No protective gear because I'm stupid.
Okay. So this is how you do it, and this is how you don't do it.
Hey, what's going on? Hey, look, I got protection.
Oh my goodness, look at the level of bees in Pop's beehive. Whew.
Hey guys, let's see what happens.
Hold on, hold on.
Back off a little bit.
I'm not. I'm cool. I'm cool. Straight.
Did you notice how they got all irritated there?
Yep. And just so you guys know that I actually do have something on too. So is that where they're gonna make some honey in there? Or they should?
Yeah. I'd back up just a little bit.
Oh, just keep on flying all of it.
So what are the spacers? They just put some spacers in between the honeycomb things?
Yeah.
Like the one going up his leg right now.
Wow, look at that.
Let me see, let me see.
See how they're building their...
Ooh.
Yeah, looking at that.
See, that's the honey in there?
Here, let me hold
Yeah,
it.
see it. Wow.
No. Get away, man.
No hands.
Get out of your mind.
That is cool.
I'm not scared. I'm not scared.
And is there another one you can pull out?
Whoa, look at that one.
Whoa. Alright. We can
See
zoom
all
up
that?
on that.
See where they filled it up? That's where they're building. The ones that go flat are the worker bees, and the ones that pop out like that,
Uh-huh.
those are going to be the drones. And see this up here
Yep.
where they've covered it? That's honey that they've stored for their energy here.
So how long does it take before you can harvest?
Oh, it'll be a whole year.
Okay.
Because matter of fact, this is the bees' honey. This is their honey. I can't take this honey. They need this honey for their energy.
Just line up this whole background with bees.
They look like they're getting a little
Yeah, they're starting to
get a little agitated.
a little agitated, so I'm gonna.
What does the spray do that you were spraying
That's
on
just
them?
sugar.
Does that kind of calm them down a little bit?
Yeah. You can smoke them or sugar.
Look at that. Look at that falling out.
Step away.
Yeah, slowly backing off. If you can see, put the cover back on.
What's that top cover? I mean, there's a few
That's their root.
No, but there's a bunch of bees in that one. Not the root part, the other part.
Here, I think there's that many bees in that one, there's that many bees in that one.
On the other side.
Yeah, there's like a little claw thing. Bees are pretty amazing. They have a pecking order and all that stuff. Like there's protective bees.
What is that layer right there? It's got.
This is the feeder. This has got sugar water in it. See?
Like there's literally in
Look.
the bottom part, there's bees that just stay there. Do nothing but protect it from
Okay.
Until they get their hive established, and they'll be going out looking for flowers. They'll roam within a area of about 6 miles, 5 to 6 miles.
So do you take that feeder off at a certain point?
Yeah.
Of course, put your hand there. Spare
Okay.
hand. Double dog Gary. Simple. We'll see.
Ooh. Are you supposed to have like a smoker or something?
Yeah. Now I'll show you something. You want to see something really interesting?
Yeah. Look at the, you guys can see the bees that are right around his head. Alright.
Come over here. I'll show you something. Watch. You'll see some of them right here at the door.
Okay.
They'll come out and they'll stick their butt up in the air at you.
What is that for?
That's the guard bees.
Oh wow, okay.
Boy, there. I didn't think that that's a place where they would have.
See this one here? Look. If I get right here like this, they'll start lining up a little bit.
I see a couple of them turning around.
They'll actually start sticking their butts up in the air at you.
Is it just a protective thing?
No, they'll sting you. They'll start attacking things that they... Anyway.
Very cool. Alright, I'm done filming.